Hi Cubies! How are you all doing? First of all, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. I hope you all are having a great holiday. I was just gonna go down in my building for the function and everything because we have Ganpati in our building, so I'm very excited for that. But just as I was leaving, something very special arrived and I thought I have to open it, but I can't open it alone because I want to share this experience with all of you, of course, because we're a family. So my YouTube silver play button arrived. Yay! I'm so excited. First of all, thank you so much to all of you. You all really supported me, and when I opened this channel, it was just because some people used to ask me what kind of makeup do you use, people used to ask me what do you eat in a day and all of that, and it was just a fun thing, and I had no idea that within a year we'll cross like 100,000 subscribers. So thank you Cubies, I love you all so much, and for all the support. I don't know how I'll ever be able to repay, but thank you for everything. I can't wait. Let's open it. Yay! Oh, there's a letter from YouTube. It says, your 100,000 subscribers! Cubies, this is all of you. Okay, we're gonna read this later, and I want to thank you all again for that. There it is. Okay. Oh, it's kind of heavy. There it is. Okay, I'm gonna remove this plastic covering. There you go. Thank you so much to my Cubies. I love you all so much. This belongs to all of you because we're a family. So it's like you all received this. So I'm very happy. I'm gonna keep it somewhere in the frame. I'll find a nice place to keep it so that people can see it in my future videos and stuff. That's so pretty, right? This is so special. Okay, I'm gonna keep it like this so we can see it properly. There you go. Thank you YouTube, and thank you Cubies. I'm down here now. I'll show you all मेरी building में गणपति कैसे celebrate करते हैं. Just wanted to show you all my outfit. Oh, it looks amazing. Okay, that's my outfit. बारिश हो रही है. हाय हाय आरोही. अच्छी लग रही हो. क्यूट लग रही हो. हाय सो क्यूट. अरे क्यूट लग रहे हो सब. तुम लोग आज डांस करने वाले हो ना? कौन से गाने पे डांस कर रहे हो? नो, बट ये मेरे YouTube ब्लॉग पे जाएगा. सो कौन से गाने पे डांस कर रहे हो तुम लोग? बारिश हो रही है. ओके, पंजाबी डांस. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट. Yes, I do.
Yeah, so this is going to go on your YouTube vlog.
Yes, so all the best. Okay. कितने क्यूट लग रहे हो. My God, I can't take it. Cutie.
Cuteness overloaded.
Okay, हो गया. इससे ज़्यादा footage नहीं मिलेगा तुम लोग को मेरे channel पे. So stop acting cute. Oh, I just met you, right?
Yeah. I'm here to tell you that we have a dance inside now.
Oh, okay. Let's go. Okay. People are very excited. I don't know what's happening. All the best. Everybody, all the best.
Thank you. Can we get the
ये लोग मेरे पीछे आएंगे. ये लोग पीछे क्यों आ रहे हैं? जाओ डांस करो, मेरे पीछे मत आओ. Oh my God.
अब ये पीछे ही डांस करेंगे.
Look at them, they're just following me. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. ये लोग मेरे पीछे क्यों?
मोदक है क्या यहाँ पे कहीं पे?
So basically बारिश हो रही है, so we are stealing the prasad. हम लोग almost सारा खा चुके हैं, as you can see.
मैं मोदक के लिए वेट करती हूँ.
ये देखो इन लोग को. So I tried to vlog the whole thing, but unfortunately it started raining, as you can see. And after those kids attacked me, my phone sort of fell. My phone sort of fell. It was too funny. So it was a flop. So yeah, we're just going home now. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye. Good night. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Bye.